All right. What is a dietitian and how is that different than a nutritionist? And is it nuanced? Is there a difference? So a dietitian typically has had formal training. They typically have a 4-year college degree with typically 6 months to a year of supervised unpaid training through an internship. And the training has been across multiple areas. Clinical intervention as a dietitian, food service intervention as a dietitian. So there's a much more formal training, and there's a culmination exam where the exam is based upon state by state. And so typically a dietitian can practice in their state of residence, and they're limited to that. Each state has different requirements. A nutritionist is a much more loose definition depending upon what training they've received, whether it be several month-long training, week-long training, weekend-long training. And so it is like an area of like concentrated expertise, but there's not like a governing body that requirements. So neither one of them are bad or good. They're different, and there's different philosophies, there's different modalities. In Western medicine, in order to work in Western medicine, typically dietitian is honored and nutritionist is not. However, that is changing in a more like digital age. So especially with the merge of social media and influencers, you're going to see more health coaches, more nutritionists who claim they have expertise in an area. And it's okay to ask questions on what that expertise means. It's also okay to ask the dietitian, where did you receive your education? Where did you do your internship? And typically dietitians will choose different areas of expertise, similar to a physician or a doctor. They're going to have different areas of expertise. So if this was helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe, and hopefully you learned a little bit today.